When the cold of winter come blowing in, you might feel like there's no hope in saving your lawn. But the truth is, a proper winter lawn care can give you a beautiful, lush and healthy lawn once the spring arrives. Prepare your lawn for winter with these effective following steps. Winter lawn care tips. How to care for the lawn in winter. Aerate. Before winter begins, it is a great idea to aerate your lawn. Aerating will help your lawn increase root growth, allow it to breathe, and minimize thatch buildup. Aeration is also important because it removes small plugs of soil and allow air, water, and nutrients to penetrate through to the roots. Thus, you will get more grass plant and naturally greener and healthier lawn. Use a manual or power aerating tool. Link in the description. Fertilize. Winter is the perfect time to sweeten the acidic soil. Check your soil's pH with a soil test. Apply a winterizing slow-release fertilizer. This is an excellent way to hit the ground running with well-nourished spring shoots. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package. Be careful, because too much fertilizer can burn your grass. Seeding. Spread cool season or cool weather grass seed. Try to spread the seed evenly, so you won't have clumps of grass later. If you have existing bare patches, lay pieces of sod over them to inhibit erosion and soil compaction. Rake and water the lawn. Rake the lawn to break up soil clumps and cover the seeds a bit. Water the lawn with a garden hose spray to keep the soil moist. Clean the lawn. Leave debris, leaves, or toys out on the lawn is not a good idea. These things can smother the grass, create disease conditions, and invite insects, mice, and other damaging pests. Keep traffic to a minimum. Try to avoid lawn traffic as much as possible in the winter months. Walking on your lawn too much can weaken even the strongest grass. Use sidewalks and avoid parking car or truck on your lawn. Weed control. Control weeds as winter moves into spring. Pre-emergent crabgrass control should be applied in early spring before the soil temperatures reach 55 to 60 degrees. Weed seeds begin to germinate when the temps is 60 degrees. Then the pre-emergent weed control won't be effective. Follow these steps and keep your lawn green and healthy.